Hello, I'm Brady Kay, editor of Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine. Today we're on the Hurricane SunDeck 2400. And what really makes this boat fun is that big Yamaha 300 outboard on the back. Combined with this hull, there might not be a better thrill ride at our shootout this year. Hurricane builds its boats with what they call a Category 5 hull. This design features a wide-body hull that is the same width bow to stern, along with lifting strakes, a shallow draft, and a generous reverse chine, all of which enhance the overall comfort level of this ride. Hurricane goes all out with this SunDeck to ensure that every detail is covered and every need is met. You truly have everything you'd ever hope to find on a deck boat included on this model as tested. It has a nice combination of creature comfort, styling, and easy access that the Hurricane line is known for.
If you're going to have a sporty boat, you need a sporty looking wakeboard tower, and this boat definitely has one. One thing we like behind the helm seat is this little entertainment center. Got your sink, cooler below, and even a washdown.